In this video, we are going to cover some of the recommended end-of-day, end-of-shift processes for cashiers within the Cloud Retailer point-of-sale software. There are some variables here depending on your personal preferences, so this will just be a highlight. Alright, so we are logged into the point-of-sale screen within the Cloud Retailer point-of-sale software, and generally you will have a button or a taskpad button somewhere. In this case, in this version of the software, it's under Manager Tasks, and it says Close Shifts. You'll be prompted then to close the register shift, or you can cancel if that was done in error. Then you'll be prompted to reconcile the shift now. So let's go ahead and do that here. And you'll be taken to the back office manager part of the software. You will need to log in if not already logged in. And you'll see your options here for entering your opening and closing amounts, as well as adding a note. Or notes. Now I'm just going to enter some examples here, so we might not be perfectly reconciled, but let's say we started with 200 in cash and we ended up with 208. It was a slow day. We didn't do anything for credit or debit. When here we are done, we can click Save and Reconcile. And now we can see that the status is it has been reconciled. And that's all there is to it for that part. When we're done, we can click our Save. And a quick note that if you have a credit card terminal that you have connected to the Cloud Retailer point of sale software, you'll also be prompted to batch out to ensure that the credit card batch is settled so that your money goes to your bank account. Now let's cover an alternate way of ending a shift. Again, we are logged into the point of sale screen, and in this particular version of the software, our end shift is under Manager Tasks. And we have the option here to close or cancel. So we're going to click on Close Register Shift. We can also select the option to not reconcile. If we do that, then it takes us back to the main screen. The advantage here is that will allow you now to not have to complete the reconciliation process at the point of sale station. They can take the drawer and go back to the back office or a more secure location for counting down the drawer. In this scenario, the cashier, shift lead, or manager would bring the drawer to the back office to finish the reconciliation process. They would do this by logging into the back office manager part of Cloud Retailer. And we are going to go to Tools. We're searching for End of Day Reconciliation. And if we scroll down, then we can see the open shifts that need to be reconciled, or we can see if they have been reconciled. Let's pick one that needs to be reconciled by clicking on the Reconcile button. And here's where they can enter the opening and closing amounts, add a note if needed, and then hit Save and Reconcile when done. Now I didn't enter any opening and closing amounts because I want to show you then what happens. We can see it shows that they were short $21.89. And then when you're done here, we can click Save. And then we can go back to the reconciliation details page in Cloud Retailer, and we can see now it shows that this has been reconciled, and here's the overshort amount. Once they are reconciled, that is not a reversible action. So if there was an error made, it needs to be adjusted in the next shift or next day. There is a help desk article linked in the video description that will have additional information. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.